Hello, if you are relatively new to SAS, or if you want to have your SAS BASE certification passed, or you just want to know more about SAS, today I'm going to tell you a really good one. Uh, this is the course STAT 480 from the Department of Statistics at Penn State University. This is absolutely free to the world. This has been the really good one for my experience. So let's go through this one. And later I will talk about 481. So 480 is for the very basic one. 481 is a little bit intermediate level. Okay. So this course, you can see from the left menu, is very basic thing about get started in SAS, how to read data, assignment of numeric functions, if-then statement, and writing programs that work. All these things are really basic. So the highlight for this course, or the good things I really like, is it is concise compared to the textbook, which usually have hundreds of pages. But here you have the course notes. It's really concise and yet a lot of information. So you can learn at your own style or your own pace. As you can see, um, it has the code. Let's go through down a little bit. You can see it's really concise one that you can see really good information compared to the textbook. And let's see some programs. They are really good programs. As you can see here, you can copy this code, or you can download the SAS code. And here is an inspector code. Here it will explain the steps of the code. Okay. And let's just go through a few of them. See, every example is really good. And you can see the output also after you run this code. You can highlight that. It's very handy, really handy. So let's check some of the lessons summarizing the continuous data. Okay. Okay, so it's really good. Okay, so the website is this one, you can see. So let's go to the intermediate level one. which is 481. As you can see, now it's intermediate SAS. So both the previous less the course 480 and 481 together can serve really well for your SAS BASE certification. These two courses provide most of the knowledge skills for that base certification. So if you understand really well for these two courses, it should be good for their certificate. And also for experienced programs, you can also have these websites for your references. So the intermediate one covers other topics like reading data sets, more data steps, like output or return statement, which is a little more complicated for the base SAS. And these do loops, these arrays, and these advanced topics of importing data, some SAS character functions, and ODS. So let's go through one of them, see the output. Okay. So here, this example give you some example of the output statement. Okay. Sometimes show the logs for you. So each example is really useful for your daily work or your knowledge. So then, so you can even print the notes, the course note here. How ODS works. So this is really good. So if you have time, you just read these two courses. It should be good to get the basic ideas or good knowledge about SAS. It has own advantage compared to the YouTube videos. You can think, you can uh, see the examples more at your own pace. You probably has another course 482, but it's not related to the SAS BASE certificate. It's more like some more related to statistics. You can see here some t-test correlations and over repeated measures designs. But here is good to the SAS SQL. You can see lots of basic stuff here for the SAS SQL. Okay. Okay. So hopefully enjoying this video and bookmark these good courses, and it should be good for your daily work or your certificate exams.